My name is Alexa Hunt and the company is Deputi. Deputi is helping businesses grow by automating those day-to-day operational and admin tasks that CEOs, owner-managers don't want to waste time on, by saving them time and driving efficiency and taking away that anxiety of not understanding how they do those tasks. We're there to help, we're there to advise. And we're really leveraging AI and blockchain to be able to automate growth.
So how does the blockchain come into that particularly?
So the blockchain is really providing a corporate memory for a business. So we're building your corporate memory of all your data points, your documents, your contracts, and we're using the blockchain to create that audit trail and create that validity behind that corporate memory.
What kind of AI comes into it?
So the AI for the business is very much learning about your business. We'll take your documents, we'll parse your documents through the AI process. We will create a summary of them, could be your insurance policy, and we will therefore extract the key information you need, like your future dates, reporting dates, renewal dates, and add those into your diary. Could be your Google Docs, could be any other diary program. We interface into all of them. But by using the AI, the more information we know about you, the more we learn, the more insights we can give you about your business and other similar businesses like you.
You're thinking of the blockchain as being within one company. The blockchain belongs to that company.
To that company. It's about creating the corporate memory and the audit trail for that business.
Does the decentralized nature of blockchain come into it at all? Are the various actors within the corporation feed into the blockchain in a way that...
So predominantly it will be whoever is owning your deputy. Could be your CEO in a smaller company, it could be a COO in a larger company. They will ultimately have control over your corporate memory. But there may be other players within the business who have authority, and within Deputi you can authorize different people across the platform to be able to...
Do you have a sense of what blockchain buys you that just a database doesn't?
I think it is really about being able to date stamp those documents. It's, all of us have a database, and we're all very conscious that making a database really valid depends on the quality of the information you put into it. With the blockchain, where you're deciding to put information onto your blockchain within Deputi, then you're really deciding that that is an important document and you need to be able to keep it for the future. Now, any database can do that, but you don't have the validity and the follow-through and the mutability of it.
Mutability is what's really crucial to you here, more than the decentralization.
Absolutely, it's the immutability. Yes, it's about creating that moment in time and being able to go back to it.
So where are you in your company's journey at this point? So
the company's journey, we've been going for about a year. We're now focusing on it full time, being part of an accelerator program, part of StateZero today. We are closing out our first funding round, looking to launch the MVP in April of this year. Taking on we have a wait list of clients and we're looking to bring them on board from May onwards.
Okay, great. And what's your background? How did you get into this?
My background, I have been a COO for 30 odd years in investment banking.
Right, okay.
So I have dealt with these pains, this frustration of all the day-to-day stuff that you have to get done, that you need to do to keep your business flowing.
So the automation is what's most exciting to you?
I think for anyone running a business or as a COO, you like doing the projects, you like doing the strategic thinking, but you have to make sure that your company returns are filed to Companies House at the right time, that you don't miss the renewal dates for those contracts, because otherwise you're putting inherent risk into your business if you forget those things. Now you can put those dates in your diary, but you've got to be reactive, you've got to be yourself looking for those, whereas Deputi is proactive. The more information you put into it, the more insights it has, the more valuable it is to you, but you will never forget a deadline, never never lose a document ever again.
Are there systems like that out there now?
People have databases, there are big ERP systems, there are Excel spreadsheets. People are using all the different apps to control different aspects of their business.
People still use Excel spreadsheets.
People still use Excel spreadsheets, but there is not that that central hub that's pulling all those things in together.
Right.
And we interface into through the APIs into Xero for accounting and into some of the HR products and others. So we can become that true hub, automating and automating your operational tasks so that you can really grow your business faster.
I mean, I understand how you got to the AI to gather all that information from those documents and get the dates and so on. The blockchain is less obvious. So how did you get to the blockchain from where you were?
This is a product that I developed in an Excel spreadsheet about 15 years ago. And really the technology has only started to come through in recent years. So AI in the last year or so, which is how we've come together as a team and said, look, there is a real ability now to automate and to blast through and break down that route to growth using technology. You're right, the blockchain is less obvious. But at the end of the day, if you can give a company the security within their corporate memory that they can create that immutability, it's something that is additional, and in some companies it's very critical.
Do you have any last words for us about the future, the blockchain-enabled future?
I think it's very exciting, and I think for businesses going forward, we really want to bust through that myth that, AI and blockchain can help businesses grow.